Ever forget your wallet at home? Struggle with ATM fees while traveling? Let's face it, in today's world, cash is becoming increasingly inconvenient. But fear not, the age of digital transactions is upon us. And if you're looking for a seamless and secure way to manage your money, the Sofi debit card might be your perfect match. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of using this card, let's rewind a bit. Sofi started as a student loan refinancing company, but they've grown into a full-fledged financial platform offering investing, banking, and even credit cards. The Sofi debit card, however, is a fantastic tool for anyone who wants to ditch the bulk of a traditional wallet and move towards a more digital approach to their finances. So, how exactly do you use this little piece of plastic? Well, buckle up, because that's exactly what we'll be exploring today. First things first, obtaining your Sofi debit card. If you're a Sofi checking or savings account holder, you're in luck. The debit card usually comes included with your account opening. If you haven't opened an account yet, don't worry, the process is quick and easy. You can do it all online, and once your account is set up, requesting the debit card takes just a few clicks. Alright, card acquired. Now comes the exciting part, using it. The Sofi debit card functions similarly to any other debit card. It's a MasterCard, so you can use it to make purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted, which, let's be honest, is pretty much everywhere these days. Whether you're swiping at the grocery store, tapping to pay for your morning coffee, or shopping online, your Sofi debit card is your trusty companion. But here's the real kicker, Sofi doesn't charge any ATM fees. That's right, no more scrambling for in-network ATMs or getting hit with surprise charges. This is a game changer, especially for frequent travelers or anyone who occasionally relies on cash. Now, security is obviously a major concern when it comes to debit cards. Sofi understands that, and that's why they've implemented a number of features to keep your money safe. You can set up two-factor authentication for added login security, and you can also enable transaction notifications to stay on top of your spending. Plus, Sofi offers MasterCard's zero liability policy, which means you won't be held responsible for unauthorized transactions if reported promptly. Speaking of spending, the Sofi mobile app is your best friend when it comes to managing your debit card. The app allows you to easily track your transactions, view your account balance, and even set spending goals. This real-time visibility is crucial for staying on budget and avoiding any unwanted surprises. Let's address a common question. What about rewards programs? While the Sofi debit card itself doesn't offer traditional cashback or points rewards, the beauty lies in Sofi's overall approach. Remember, Sofi is more than just a debit card provider, it's a financial hub. By keeping your money in Sofi checking and savings accounts, you can potentially earn interest on your balance. This might not be the same as cashback on your daily purchases, but it's a way to make your money work for you, even when it's just sitting in your account. Of course, every financial product has its own set of considerations. The Sofi debit card is no exception. For instance, while there are no ATM fees, there are international transaction fees to consider if you're using your card abroad. So, be sure to factor that in if you're a frequent traveler. Additionally, Sofi checking incurs monthly maintenance fees if you don't meet certain requirements. Again, a quick visit to Sofi's website will clarify these details. Ultimately, the Sofi debit card is a powerful tool for anyone who wants a secure and convenient way to manage their money. It's perfect for everyday purchases, ATM withdrawals, and with its mobile app integration, it puts you in complete control of your finances. So, if you're looking to ditch the traditional wallet and embrace a more digital approach to your finances, the Sofi debit card is definitely worth considering. Remember, knowledge is power, so do your research, see if it aligns with your financial goals, and who knows, the Sofi debit card might just become your new favorite financial companion. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.